few deadlines in income tax got extended. So if you have missed the tax submission for the financial year 18-19, assessment year 19-20, so for that year you can submit revised return till 31st July, original return with penalty before 31st July. So income tax return for the current year, assessment year 2021, financial year 19-20, so the income tax return submission deadline has been extended to 30th November. So audits, so income tax audit for the financial year 19-20 or assessment year 2021, so general deadline will be 30th September, so it has been extended to 31st October. Self-assessment tax, generally self-assessment tax has to be paid before filing the income tax return. So if you miss the deadline, you need to pay 1% interest on the tax liability. So this has been waived, so there won't be any interest till 30th November 2020, but the self-assessment tax liability should be up to 1 lakh. Even TDS return has been, the deadline for TDS or TCS return submission has been extended. For Q4 19-20 financial year, so deadline is 15th July and 31st July. It's government and others. Sixth one is different. This is certificate, TDS or TCS certificates means form 16A, like that. This is the interesting thing, seventh one. So for financial year 19-20, if you want to avail ATC, ATD or any other deductions, you have to submit proofs or you have to make investments before 31st March. Earlier that has been extended to 30th June. Now again 1 month has been extended. And this is also some capital gain deductions. Vivad se Vishwas, this is also has been extended to 31st December.